What's up, Sublimators? Spray here from Conde Systems. I have an incredibly exciting new product to show you guys. It is our felt coasters. And I know what you're thinking, it's just a felt coaster. Well, this felt coaster is awesome. It can be used very easily if you have the air fresheners or the puzzles or any of our other felt products. It's done just like that. Our felt coasters are really easy to do. They're super fun. They're great for backyard parties. They're great for breweries or bars. They're great for weddings. Really anything you need a low-cost alternative to our hardboard coasters. And best thing ever, they're incredibly easy to do. They're just like our felt puzzles and our felt air fresheners. They absorb water really well, so you don't have to worry about the fibers displacing like you do when you put the oil on the air fresheners. You can print them with your 8.5 by 11 printer. You can print them with your big boy printer. There's two different shapes. They come circular and square. They're 6 to a sheet, super low cost, really easy to do. Imagine partnering with a brewery, partnering with a bar, doing some wedding favors, really anything you can imagine. If you're as excited about these coasters as I am, go to our website, check them out, or contact your account representative for more information. This is Sprite from Conde Systems. Happy sublimating.